Hello and welcome back to Jillies Nails, where today we are going to have some fun and make some stone nails. The plate we're using is out of the Mani by Me box. It was back in the fall, I don't know, November, December, January, I don't know. Sometime, a couple months ago. I guess more than a couple now because it's freaking June already. Almost July. Can y'all believe that? Oh my god. This year. And like a moron, I stamped this off camera. So, yeah, you'll see it in a second. But what I'm doing is stamping the outline of the gems that kind of give the outlines that give the gems their shape. You know, so we're going to do the color inside of that after those dry. I'm going to go in with Double Bubble. It is a 1-coat stamping polish from Maniology. I'm going to use that as my base coat. It's very pretty metallic. I think this was not last month, not June, but the May box. It was the bubble box. My microphone is trying to fall. I'm going to drop it during this video, I'm telling you. I did not list this color in the original list. This is Satin Blush. This is also from Maniology. I'm not sure if it's still available or not, believe it or not. It looks super weird in the bottle, but it comes out this gorgeous pink. Very metallic, pretty pink. And please watch until the end of the video because I am going to add in the new images from the Mani by Me box that will be out for July. And I would really like your input into what images you would like to see, since I've kind of started taking polls on that. And I like creating what you guys want me to create. So let me know which images you would like, and I would love to see if I can create something for you. All right, what we're doing here now. This is a huge image, and clearly my nails are very short right now because they're being punk asses and they keep breaking. So, because this image is so huge, you don't have to clean the plate off every time. You can just pull off a little section and go, which nail does that look better on? Stamp it down and move on. So I'm just doing this I think it's very pretty metallic with brown, metallic blue with brown for the marble pattern. And then the stones themselves will be, it's kind of like a hot pink color actually. Hot pink? I don't know. You'll see. Metallic pink. I'm not sure if you would call it hot or not. I don't know. I think it's pretty. So again, you don't have to clean it off between every one if it's on one of these big, huge images and your nails just aren't big enough for it. Just keep going up the plate. Stamp them all straight up, straight down. This is that color Satin Blush. And I'm using this. This is a reverse stamping plate. Not a reversed, a layered stamping plate. So that particular image is blank, basically. You have to make sure it's filled in all the way to get a clean pickup on it. Then I just stamp that down. And I'm going to use the color PEWTER, which is my arch enemy. It's my nemesis. I hate that word. I have to think about it. I can't just say it like a normal person. It is my arch enemy. Now you know my dirty secret. I have to think before I say the word pewter. And what I did there was took the frame and stamped that around the gem image. And then this is the details of the frame. All the things that make it look etched and like it's an actual design or a gem. Or I guess a setting for a gem. There you go. It would be a setting for a gem. It's late. My brain's not working. I'm tired. I've been working the day job way too much the last couple days. I'm pooped. I'm ready for a 3-day July 4th weekend. And it's going to rain all stinking weekend, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Not that we've been going out anyway due to everything going on. Now, on the index finger there, the polish had dried enough that did not stamp down easily. A lot of people will put a sticky layer in between their color and then stamp it down. If I do that, I notice I tend to smear it, so I usually skip that. If you go back in and just press a little bit harder, it will usually come off. Sometimes you kind of have to rock it a little slow and then press it down afterwards. So I ended up having to rock it on that one, and it got a little crooked, so I didn't put the frame around it because I wasn't sure if it would fit right. I am going in with some acrylic gems now and just putting those on the pinky. They flare like a blue, pink, purple color. You know, depending on which way you turn them, they'll look blue or a pinky purple color. So I thought it was cute to go with this. And I am just going to put a shiny top coat over it. You could, of course, use matte if that's something that you like. I think matte might have actually looked interesting on this mirror, mirror on the wall. That's what that finger reminds me of. I loved how this design came out, and I really hope you enjoyed it too. You should see a playlist in the upper right hand corner, so if you want to watch some more videos, go ahead and click on that. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.